is too much.
Yeah, I agree.
You know?
True. But we also have to stand up for ourselves.
Yeah, no, for
We've
sure.
got to get some backbone back.
You must come to Lichtenburg and you will see how we stand up.
I will.
Yeah, you must see. We stand up.
Really?
We stand strong.
Ja.
Every month or so, the EFF right on the horse.
It's insane.
F the Afrikaans, F the Lerai. This is the world we live in.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And then you got to clean it all up.
Yeah.
And
So Trump is not misled.
at all.
He's speaking the truth about South Africa. They can deny it as much as they want to deny it. But if you really, and I'm not political, I'm a
really
Christian
not.
leader. But if you really
you're
look at the
Christian.
facts, yeah, I'm a committed Christian.
Yes.
Covered under the blood of Christ.
Amen.
But I'm come out of Afrikaner time now. So I'm
That
not.
makes us racist.
Yeah, I'm not a racist.
But apparently we are.
No. Yeah, I came out of Kobere, Port Elizabeth, and I preached. I had a congregation 9 o'clock in Afrikaans and 11 o'clock with many nationalities. So I'm not a racist.
No, we're not.
But what's happening here is worse than apartheid. It's a disgrace. Really, it's a disgrace. It's worse to destroy your own people, like the government is doing. That's what apartheid did. You know?
Yeah, they're definitely decimating us on
Yeah,
all levels.
at all levels. Eh?
Yeah.
So now we hope, we are very proud of the President Trump, and what he's doing.